allowed to take off. Alright, so here's our end. Going up. Can we see us?
Yeah. Oh, not yet. Oh, yeah, we should be able to see us now.
So now what do? Do we make it, you know, I always think I want to be more daring with this thing. Okay, that's about as high as I want to go. I want to go higher.
Go higher.
A little bit higher.
How high are you?
84 feet.
Oh, it seems a lot higher.
Yeah,
83, it came down a little bit. Oh my God.
It seems higher.
Doesn't it seem higher?
Yeah.
It does.
Okay, I'm moving back.
That's going up.
Okay. Go backward, up, back, forward, back. Okay, here we go. Another exciting shot. Okay, I want to do a side-by-side shot
Of what?
of like going this way.
Okay.
So, wrong way. More riveting video footage. Oh, it got so far away. I couldn't hear it. I couldn't hear it. God, it scares me.
She may have to edit that out.
Oh my gosh, that was terrible. Okay, so it it went
Yeah, it did.
quiet, right? 62 feet is all I feel comfortable with, apparently. Oh, no. Okay, what other weird things do we want to do with our...
Well, you could take a picture of the Eller's Sick Field.
Fine.
That's got
Oh.
a nice little entryway.
Okay,
I
so
don't know,
come down.
Something to put in your...
Yes. You know, if I had played video games when I was younger. All right, go forward. No, wrong way. There you go. Ooh, I can see it now.
Looks kind of cool flying over there.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Bye, $500.
Why? What are you gonna do? Run into the run into the
Don't know.
entrance there?
I
You're not.
could.
You're not close enough to it. You're fine. You're good.
So now we get to land this bad boy. Who's feeling comfortable now? Ooh, there we are. Hey, there we are. That's kind of a nice shot. Okay. Here we are. We're gonna have to make it back onto our little pad. Oh, this is so scary. Yeah, what I learned last time is don't land it before you turn the dang thing on. Do you think I'm near the pad? Do you think I'm gonna hit it? How does it look on your end, Renee? Okay, I'm gonna turn it off so we don't lose the video. Okay? Do you think I'm gonna be okay? Well, huh? So that way just a little tiny bit. Nope, nope, that's not that way. Nope, nope. Okay, right there, come down a little more. Huh? Come down a little more. Pretty centered. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ooh! It's right off. You okay, honey? How's your face? Oh my God. How's your face? Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. Oh. Honey, okay. Okay, you all right? Okay.
So Dawn Ellersick
named after the former star athlete and NFL player, a Newport High School and Washington State University star athlete who played in the NFL for the Los Angeles Rams, Minnesota Vikings, and Green Bay Packers.
Really?
Wow.
He also earned a BS and a master's degree in civil engineering and had a successful career in the field. The Newport community created the memorial to Elichick in response to his unexpected death in June 1996. The field includes a press box, concession stand, restrooms, bleachers, and a refurbished track.
Wow.
Well, that's cool.
That is cool
That's kinda
history.
cool.
I'm glad we got that.
Me too.
Thank you for looking that up. Okay, well that concludes
Newport!
the Newport. Let's go get a drink.